Hey everybody from T6. So we're currently at the Poly or Inter-American University here in San Germán, Puerto Rico. I'm currently here with Zent, and we were sort of at this parking lot, and then suddenly we sort of found a lonely, very lonely vending machine in the middle of this parking lot. So, of course, us being us, we decided we want to buy from the vending machine and to prove to you it works. So, here we go. This is Zint with his very poor salary. He has to use pennies at a time.
There you go. It works.
Wow.
Amazing, ain't it?
Yep. It's icy. It's actually icy. Can you see that, people?
It's amazing, ain't it?
Yeah, it's amazing iciness.
It's a vending machine in the middle of a parking lot.
Only in Puerto Rico.
Only in Puerto Rico.
Great.